Open your Chrome browser and enable desktop mode. Now paste link here which is given in description and search. Now go ahead to change language. Click on it. Click on English. Okay. Now go here to register in OctaFX. Now click on register. Now enter your details. Put a tick mark on I confirm that I am not a US citizen, resident or affiliate, and solve CAPTCHA and click on open account. Now you will receive a email. Go to Gmail and open it. This is the mail. Click on confirm. This page will open. Now select your country and enter phone number and date of birth and give a tick mark on yes and click on continue. Now create a demo trading account. For that, click on custom and click on continue. So click on demo. Now select MetaTrader 4. Okay. Leverage 1:500 and enter balance which you want to receive in your demo account. Now I am entering $100. This demo account is useful for practice trading. Now click on create account. So this is your demo account login details. You will receive these details in email also. See there, you receive this email with your OctaFX login details and 4-digit PIN. You should keep it carefully, don't lose it, and PIN will be asked when withdraw your funds. Okay, now download this OctaFX trading app from Play Store. Go to email. Login with your details. Click on login. So enter code which you receive your email. So this is interface of the app. This is a real trading account section, and this is demo account section. Now you need to verify your account. So for that, go to three lines, go to settings, now go to verification status. So now you need to verify your account with any one ID proof, that Aadhaar card or driving license or passport or resident. Now I verify with my Aadhaar card. So now I selecting Aadhaar card. So take two side photos from here, from first front side photo, and allow access. Take front side photo of your Aadhaar. Click on checked. Now take back side photo from second camera. Now click on checked. After take two photos, scroll down. Click on submit request. Uploading your documents. See, there we have started reviewing your documents. So it will take 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours to review. Click on got it. See there, verification status not verified. After it verified, I will show you. See there guys, my account has been verified. Now registration process has been completed. So from my next video I will explain how to trade from OctaFX. Okay guys, thank you.